A really simple question, Paul. Why the bee book?
Well, people love stories. I first got into stories and business when I read the famous Spencer Johnson, Who Moved My Cheese, 30 years ago. And since then I've been fascinated with how this concept of storytelling and animals can resonate with the corporate world. My co-author and I, Craig Smith, we decided to write our own story. We'd been delivering various workshops on behalf of other authors, and we thought, let's do our own. And hence the bee book was born.
Do people connect with this story?
Oh, absolutely. I've delivered this in probably over 50 countries in the last 2 years, traveling extensively, as you can imagine, and people just love it. I deliver it in English. The book is available in over 10 languages, and we do a train-the-trainer option as well. But people just absolutely love the bees. There's so much to learn from bees, and it connects in any culture, any country that I've been to.
So why bees?
Well, bees are... They're available. You can find them in every continent with the exception of Antarctica. And without bees, where would we be as a human species? If you look in your fridge on any one day, over a third of the products in your fridge are there as a result of bees' pollination. They are the global pollinators. The other thing is we can learn so much from bees.
How have organisations used the learnings from the bee book suite of workshops?
I could go on forever on this one. Let me try and think. In South America, on their training centre door, they've got hexagons painted on the door, and it's got be ready. So when people come into the workshops, no matter whether mine or somebody else's workshops, they get their mind ready. Another example is in India, where they've painted the tea room or the coffee room with hexagons and the bees. And what the message there is, always be ready to change, be innovative, be engaged, be a great leader, etc. So it's just a concept. Another company's put two of the characters, Buzz and Stripes, on the ladies' and gentlemen's toilet doors just to keep the message flowing, because it creates a common language throughout the companies. One other example I just come to mind is a factory in America where safety is a big issue. So what they've got is a big bee picture above the entrance to the factory with "Be safe," and they change that message on a regular basis.
Thank you very much, Paul.
Thank you.